My lord, I beg to mention item number 5. My lord. Item number 5 and item number 6, my lord. They connected matters.
So come for the respondent number 6.
Number 5.
5 and item 6, my lord. They're connected matters.
What is the matter here?
My lord, is pertaining to service, my lord. My lord, the conducting counsel, Mr. P. Nongri, is having personal difficulty today, my lord. Kindly have the matter up to 2 weeks.
On prayer made by the general counsel for the petitioner seeking adjournment on grounds of personal difficulty on the part of the conducting counsel. Matters adjourned. List the same after.
My lord, if possible, if the matter can be placed in the middle of the week, my lord.
See, that is not for me to.
My lord.
I cannot go and
Yes, my lord.
go through the records and see where it can be fitted.
Yes, my lord.
2 weeks, please. We'll see.
Yes, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
You be obliged. Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg
That
to
is 5
mention.
and 6.
5 and 6.
5 and 6. No?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Lordship. Lordship, I've already informed the respondent counsel.
You're for?
For the petitioner also.
Question for respondent number 4.
It's also 2020 matter.
Lordship.
Does that matter?
Limited prayer, Lordship. Here,
The
Lordship.
CM has already been suspended.
Oh, okay.
But that second prayer still survived, Lordship. Seeking for de novo trial.
This is with regard to the initial inquiry.
Inquiry, Lordship. Based on certain complaint where the complaint was, the inquiry was conducted without hearing, without informing the complainant. Lordship.
Complainant. Anyway, on payment by petitioner, this is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Deeply obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 1, Lordship.
Yes, miss.
Your Lordship, the learned DIGI due to present difficulty is out of station, Your Lordship. So I pray if this matter may come up after 2 weeks.
2017 matter. Yet again, the petitioner has sought for time on the ground that the learned DSGI is personally indisposed. Next, it may be mentioned that this is a very long pending matter and parties have been requested to take up the matter seriously. Be that as it may, on grounds of personal difficulty, the matter is adjourned. It is made clear that no further adjournment will be allowed on the next date fix. As prayed for, this is matter after 3 weeks. I'll give you enough time, but no more adjournment.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2 and 3, Lordship. The conducting counsel, my lord, he is not available, my lord. He is out of station, my lord.
Today is Friday.
Lordship.
Oh, no wonder. He has gone fishing.
No, Lordship, some other engagement, my lord.
Again, this is also 2019 matter.
One is 21, one is 19, my lord.
Forest colony matter.
Lordship.
Lordship,
Yes.
On prayer made by the prayer is made on behalf of the learned senior counsel for the petitioner seeking adjournment on ground of his personal difficulties. The same not being objected to by respondent. Pray along. This is matter to 2 weeks.
Implementation.
2 and 3 ke jo order.
2 and 3.
Nothing is there.
Supplementary cost list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh, you sleeping?
Being a Friday, Your Lordship, maybe he's contemplating to
Everyone
go
is
somewhere.
Everyone is in a holiday mood. See,
Lordship,
this matter has been posted reserved for judgment,
Lordship,
but through inadvertence could be the fault of the court or the fault of the parties. There was an order where the records are supposed to be produced.
Supposed to, Lordship.
Department's record is supposed to be produced. I think that's an order dated April something.
Lordship, then we'll.
When I was preparing the judgment, I thought of going through the records. In fact, Mr. Shula, you had assured the records to be produced.
So we'll produce, Your Lordship, next week. Next week.
Lordship, due to oversight, I could not check the supplementary cause list today, Lordship. I was that the matter is fixed for pronouncement of judgment today. Also, this is an alternative.
Next week, then.
When the matter was called up, the parties were the parties have been directed to an order dated
I was of the view that the state respondent has placed the records, Lordship.
should have flag marked that order.
Let me assist Your Lordship. I'll find out.
Somewhere in last year.
No,
Not this year, Your Lordship. This year only. Yeah, now I recall, Your Lordship. This year only.
Prior to the
Yes. Now I
Final
recall,
year,
Your
Your
Lordship. This year only, Your Lordship.
Oh yes. Order dated 26/2.
yes, Lordship.
Where see the order reads, heard Mr. So and so. However, in course of hearing, the court is of the opinion that the relevant record, as far as the case of the petitioner is concerned, is required to be produced for perusal. Mr. Andy Sulai, learned AG has submitted that he may be allowed to some time to produce the said record.
Lordship, yes.
Which was like that.
Then if I may pray, Your Lordship, will come on 13, Your Lordship.
Umum tu? Wherein? Wherein? The records, the relevant records have been directed to be produced. The said record has not yet been produced till date. Be that as it may, on the submission of the learned AAG, the records are directed to be produced on the next date fix. This is matter on
Monday, Your Lordship, 13.
13.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Daily list, item number 7.
This is the hearing was concluded on the last occasion, and Lordship has directed us to submit our written synopsis, my Lord. My Lord, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file our
My Lord, I'm
synopsis,
submitting today, my Lord. Just 2 points I need to counter to the judgment that I've cited, and I'll file it in the course of the day, my Lord. I'll give you the
I
court
need for the
master.
time, my
Give
lord.
an advance copy.
Yes, I'll give them that
How
advance copy.
long you want?
My lord,
Let me 1 week, my lord, 2 weeks, because then you will have to refresh again.
my lord, we will
Then
be
we'll never-
submitting, so therefore I don't think so they will be required because it will be on board, my lord, within the period. If
No, but
lordship gives me time.
hearing that we'll have to refresh again.
Mr. Puven, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the written argument may be allowed to be filed in course of the day.
Yes.
Ms. R. Colney,
2 and 3, my lord.
counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3, has submitted that the written argument is not yet prepared and has prayed for some more time for the same to be filed. On prayer made, the same is allowed that the said written argument be filed within the next date fixed. This is matter after 1 week,
My lord, 10 days at least, my lord.
2 weeks.
I'm highly obliged.
All right.
lordship.
Item number 8.
Lordship, I filed my written argument.
See, miss, these are the cases you have relied upon.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where are the noting of the relevant paragraphs?
Your Lordship, I believe in the compilation, the highlight has already been done.
That is, see, that apart, you should have indicated here.
All right, Your Lordship. In that case, Your Lordship, I may be allowed to take it back. I'll make the relevant.
Do it now.
All right.
Do it by hand, doesn't matter. Right. Mr. Sheikh, you have done so?
Yes, Lordship. Bottom, Lordship. Page number 3.
Yes. This is the way it should be done.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And apart from that, I have highlighted also, Lordship.
Parties have filed their written argument. Matter is now reserved for judgment. Anything?